So, I used to buy this one before this time. I want to use the best one. So, bumili ako ng isang pack nito. It has one bedsheet, fitted bedsheet, at saka may dalawang pillowcase. Nagdagan pa ng dalawang pillowcase. So, apat na pillowcase. So, anong gusto ko dito? So, number one is very affordable. You know how much? This one is 199 pesos. And this one is 50 pesos. So, more or less, 250 pesos lang. So, very affordable. And then, maganda is material siya. So, 100% soft. So, easy washing at the same time, very comfortable to use. And, one thing is, you can choose among the 16 elegant designs. Ang maganda kaya. So, I choose this one. So, this one is quite a medyo masculine type. Pero, it's okay. Parang unisex na natin. Yung kulay niya kasi pang girly. I like it. Okay? So, ano ba? I really like this one because very, very comfortable to use. So, I'm sure you will have a good sleep night. So, I'm very excited. I can't wait to use it on the bed. So, let's do one. What I have here. So, ito yung bedsheet. Yeah. So, anong size ng bedsheet? So, actually, yung size ng bedsheet is 16 by 78. 60 inches by 78. The length and the width. So, tama lang sa isang bed. Diba? Ito yung gusto ko. Fitted. So, you can fit it on your bed. So, magiging smooth yung bed. Yung surface ng bed mo kasi medyo yung bed. Yes. Zip. So, kung natin nyo, ganda. Nice. Pwede actually tayo. I like it. So, this is the bed sheet. And this is the pillowcase. Pillowcase is dimension is 20 by 30. So, 20 feet, 20 ito, yung height. Ano ba yung length? Yung height. Ito na naman is yung 30 inches. So, malaking pillow. Malaking pillow ang ilalagay mo dito. Okay? And then, so, apat. Ito yung another one. I bought another one. Kasi dalawa lang yung pillow. Gusto ko apat. Dalawa-dalawa kami ng anak ko. So, dalawa. Ganito kalaki yung pillowcase. So, I use for pillowcase. Very soft. Okay? Easy to wash na. So, I have here. So, I've been telling that I've been buying this one since 4 years ago. This one is the old one. Okay, same brand. So, it's been 4 years already. So, ano ba ginagawa ko dito? So, maganda kasi pang matagalan. At the same time, paano ba? How to take care of it? Kasi tumagal siya ng 4 years. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, huwag po siyang i-bleach. Okay, like Sonrox, Clorox, Clean. So, extra care na walang stain. Okay? And then, use only yung detergent na mild. Huwag na yung very strong. Yun ang ginagamit. And no dry cleaning. At saka, no dry cleaning. So, ang ginagamit ko dito, okay, no dry cleaning. So, what I'm using it here is air dry. And after washing, dapat yung water, i-treat mo lang. Huwag mo siyang i-twist para kahit hindi